Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of euro, dollar, euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the Forex chart of euro, USD, and as discussed on Saturday, the market will be facing some selling pressure, the wrath of the sellers around 1.0929. And yes, we can see that our analysis has been doing well right now, and we can see that after this big fall, euro USD is trying to recover but facing some resistance around this particular level here, which is the Fibonacci 50% retracement level. And along with that, we also have the 50 moving average working as dynamic resistance. So right now market is in a very critical position. If you already have taken a sell position beyond the trade, no need to exit from the position, because still there is a good chance the market will be going for some correction. Because if we look at the overall trend of the market here, then we can clearly see that market is an uptrend. But if you have watched the previous video that I uploaded on Saturday, we talked about the possible trend reversal, because market was in clean uptrend, market was forming higher highs and higher lows, but here market formed a lower low. Market broke the previous low here, so this is a sign of danger. And if euro USD really wants to continue the upside, then obviously it will have to break this level here, 1.1010. And in case euro USD fails to break this level and reverses from either this level or this level, we will get the indication that sellers are present in the market, sellers have entered the market, and we can expect a trend reversal in the coming days. So this new high, not new high, the next high will be very important on the chart of euro dollar. And either euro USD will be making a new high here, or it will be around here, 1.0948 to 1.0950. 1.0948 to 1.0950 is a better level to take a sell position, because you can see FIBO 61.8 is a more strong level, and previously the same level worked as support for quite some time. So you can expect the previous support will be acting as resistance, and along with that 1.0950 is a round number, and it's also a psychological resistance. So if the volatility of the market remains like this, then you can expect the market to either reverse from this level, or if this level fails, you can expect market to face some resistance around this level again. If market shows price rejection from above, we can consider a sell position because of this low, because this low, or the last lower low formed by the market, has indicated a sign of trend reversal. And if we look at the economic calendar, then yes, we have a speech of the ECB president, so market may be volatile, so please be careful, because whenever a fundamental reason dominates the market or any news comes up in the market, then technicals usually do not work. Never forget that fundamental reasons are the only thing that provides a direction to the market, and technicals come later to the scene for entry and exit purpose only. But yes, we cannot control the fundamentals. As a result, we are mostly focused on technicals, but yes, fundamentals play the big role. So yes, you need to be careful after 2 hours, because market may show some volatility, and if market takes a particular direction, instead of going for reversal, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, do not fight against the fundamentals, because whenever there's a battle fight between fundamentals, technicals usually lose. Okay, so you need to understand how to manage fundamentals and technicals together. So right now, if again I'm saying, if you already have taken a sell position, because yes, we have discussed about the possibility of a downside from here. If you have a sell beyond the trade till the speech, okay, and in case market breaks it, you can take you can consider a sell around 1.095048 level, because of the reasons that I explained. And if you're wondering about support, then yes, we do not have any strong support on the chart of euro dollar, okay, because whenever you will see a trending market, in trending market, the static supports do not work nicely. But still, in case of a drop after the speech, you can expect some support around 1.0840 to 1.0835. Around this level, you can expect some sort of support as of now. But right now, your focus should be on this particular levels only. And along with that, we also have news on US dollar. So yes, during the US session, market will be volatile again. So please follow proper risk manager and do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, a trader only trades when the opportunity is right. So do not gamble and wait for the right time. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care and bye bye. And follow proper risk management. Okay, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. No trader is 100% accurate. So yes, risk management is extremely important. Bye bye. If you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop. Yes, the Forex trading workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after a 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join the Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things.